It is the most extreme object in the universe, a place where gravity is so strong it devours light and breaks the laws of physics. So what would you actually see if you fell into a black hole? As you get closer, you'd witness the cosmos warp around you. The light from distant stars would bend and distort. You are now approaching the point of no return, the event horizon. Here, reality splits in two. To someone watching from a safe distance, your ship would appear to slow down, dim, and freeze at the edge for all eternity. But for you, time would flow normally as you cross the threshold, watching the entire future of the outside universe flash before your eyes. Once inside, there is only one direction. The gravity at your feet would be so much stronger than at your head that you would be stretched, atom by atom, into a thin stream of plasma, a process scientists chillingly call spaghettification. Your journey ends at the singularity, a point of infinite density where all of our known laws of physics simply cease to exist.